Hi guys, Sean here. Welcome to another episode of Stay Connected. So the first product we're going to look at today is part number 6669. It's the Ford Transit Fuel Filter Tool 2012 onwards. So this is used with a 3/8 inch extension and ratchet. So you simply slip this under the body of the fuel filter, you twist it, which will then give you access to the filter inside. So again, another really popular tool designed and manufactured in the UK by Laser Tools. Right guys, moving on to our next product, it's part number 7918, the DSG Volkswagen Group, Renault, Hyundai and Kia clutch installation and removal tool. This tool has been designed and manufactured at Eldon Engineering up in Sheffield. This is a must-have tool if you're working on one of those gearboxes. So the next tool that we're going to look at is part number 7511, the Flywheel locking tool. Now this tool has been manufactured up at Sheffield and is exclusive to Laser Tools. This tool is designed to allow the user to quickly and simply lock the flywheel via the ring gear when removing the clutch. Now we're going to have a look at part number 6928. This is our plastic sump plug removal kit. This tool is an EU registered design to Laser Tools. What we've got within the kit is you've got your T-bar, which is for your Ford sump plugs. You've got this key here, which is for Ford and PSA plugs. Over here you've got your BMW key, and here are your two keys for your Volkswagen sump plugs as well. And remember, Connect Workshop Consumables has an extensive range of sump plugs. Fuel line replacement. Have you ever had to replace a complete section of fuel line? Well, now you don't. This kit enables you to repair a section of fuel line by using all of this. So this kit has been designed and developed by Laser Tools. It's an EU registered design. What you have within the kit is the plate, which sits on the end of the tool. You've got all of the adapters which fit into each of the fuel line connectors. This tool enables you to make a professional repair when replacing fuel lines and is a cost-effective solution. Thanks again for joining us on another episode of Stay Connected. As always, guys, stay safe, stay connected. Okay, guys, are we all done now? Is anybody gonna let me out? Guys? Hello? Hello? Guys?